up, y'all? It's your girl Sarah here, and I'm back with another video. So today, if you haven't already read the title, you're gonna meet my dog. My dog is an old dog, and he's like the sweetest puppy ever. Well, not puppy, I call him a puppy, even though he's a really old dog. Cause yeah, and he's like a dog version of me. I'm not a guy. I don't have fur. It's like, but he is lazy as crap. And you literally watch. Hey, baby. Hey. This is my puppy Coco. He don't care what I do. No, you can't leave me. You can throw him and he won't care. He's that lazy. He doesn't care. Ain't that my puppy? Where are you? Oh. Okay, lay back. Lay back. Yeah. Yeah. My dog's name is Coco. Say hi, Coco Nuts. Hi, Coco Nuts. Hi, Coco Nuts. Hi, Coco Nuts. Let's see, isn't he awesome? As you can see, he's like all white. No, not really. He has black on him. Which is why I think he should have been named Oreo. Because it looks like an Oreo. Mama, doesn't Coco look like an Oreo?
Mm-hmm. I guess so.
I just went, yes I do. Yes I do. So this is going to be a very short video. But I'm also going to vlog. Yeah. Prepare to see that too. I'm in a rocking chair, which I love because I can do this. Mama, come here. Come here. Come say hi.
No.
This is what my hair does after a shower.
Yeah, busy.
Well, you can be in the vlog either way, so.
No.
Yes. Please. You'll see her in the vlog. I love you guys. Bye. Say bye. Say bye, baby. Say bye. Mwah. Say bye. No, look at the camera. Look at the camera right there. Say bye. Say bye. Mama, stop moving around. You're distracting him. What? Yeah, he ain't gonna say bye. Bye. Mama?